first step, we're gonna uncover this cover over here. You have 4 screws that you need a 3mm Allen key. So let's remove this. Let's remove this one. One tight first. Okay. So step 1, remove the cover. All right. Okay. There you go. Easy peasy. Okay, the first step is easy. We'll see what happens with the other ones. I'm kind of nervous. Never done this before, so I just watched some videos in YouTube. It looks like they're okay. I'll look at the instructions. I talked to some people, and it seems like it's feasible to do it. So little by little, we have to be careful when we mess around with the bike. Okay, so first step